What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video today, and today I want to talk about a subject that I heard a lot of people don't know about, and this word is traffic. What is traffic, and what some easy ways of getting traffic? So traffic basically means eyeballs or people looking at your offer, going to your store, or if you own a McDonald's or you own a Burger King, and the people that walks into your store. It's traffic. So you have a website or a blog and somebody visits your blog, that's traffic. So if you post a YouTube video and you have no views, that video's getting no traffic. But if it starts getting 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 views, you get a little bit of traffic. So views on a video is translated into traffic, because that's traffic. So you want traffic. Anything you do online or offline, you need traffic. You need people going into your store and purchasing wherever you're selling. That's bottom line what traffic is. Now, in this video, I'm gonna tell you some easy ways to get traffic. That seems to be the hardest part because people will focus on traffic so much, and it's a two-step process of making money online. It's traffic and conversions to make money. You do need traffic, but the traffic is not the hardest part. You get traffic in many ways. You could create YouTube videos to get traffic. You use YouTube advertising to get traffic. Facebook, posting on Facebook, also using Facebook ads to get traffic. So pretty much you could buy traffic, and you get traffic organically. It's like starting a blog and start posting blog posts every day. Over time, you start getting 2, 3, or 4 views, and you get a little bit of traffic. So those are ways you get traffic. You get paid. There's two things about traffic: is it free or paid? And most people use paid because it's much faster. You can scale up faster, and you can start an ad campaign at 3 o'clock, and at 3:20 you getting views and visits. Versus a blog is not like that. But a blog is a better long-term solution because you gotta buy traffic. Once you're out of money, you don't get no traffic. So that's pretty much the video today. What is traffic, and there's some easy ways to get traffic. Again, you go to Facebook, you can post on your Facebook, create a Facebook fan page, start getting fans on that. You could purchase Facebook ads, use Google pay-per-click, Bing pay-per-click, you pay per click. So you bid in the keyword, making money online. It might go for 20 cents. You bid 20 cents, so somebody click on your ad. You got paid 20 cents a click, and hopefully you convert that click into where you're trying to promote. So that's it for today. What is traffic, and what are some easy ways to get traffic? I'll do more videos on traffic as well, what I'm using right now on traffic. If you like the video, please comment below. Visit my blog, thexking.com, and I'll see you next time.